Alright, there we go, Callaway washing. Hey guys, today we'll be doing some washing machine destruction. Here we have a Callaway. I'm going to plug it into the garage because apparently you put it on service mode, but it's got it hot wired, so we're going to plug the hot wiring loom in the garage. I have to do 6 attempts of this. There you go. Break number 1. Break number 2. Break number 3. Put it out of the way so it doesn't get damaged. And this gun dig as well, so. Break number 5. Yeah? Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. Let me turn it off. I think we filmed about 4 minutes worth of video, so we're back. Right. 6 weeks, I think, going in. So good. Actually, we'll put a golf ball in it and see what happens. Let's try again. Golf ball. We're throwing this in. Oh my god, I'm gonna turn it back on and then, oh my god, let's turn this washing machine back on. That was a nice go. Let's make it go. And baby, look at the washing machine now. You see it's all bent now. See, I told you it's the most disgusting. See, the reason why I destroyed this washing machine because it's the most disgusting washing machine I ever picked up, and I don't want to keep it. I know it looks nice like it's a Tour IS, so try it again. So hopefully, anyway. Crazy though. Three, two. Okay, unplugged itself, it did. Alright, this is the aftermath. I filmed 8 minutes of this video. So, I've done my first attempt. My Callaway washing machine. It was so good. It was the most disgusting washing machine in the world. And apparently this is just apparently you see the top panel, it's about to come off. It's just come loose. We're gonna see some this is an experiment for now. We'll do the proper destruction in the next video, and it will be coming today, so hopefully it'll be good. Ready? And see you later. Bye.